Welcome back to Soulful English. This is not a typical motivational talk. It is a 21-day action plan to reprogram your mind for success. Why 21 days? Research shows it takes about 3 weeks to form a new habit. In less than 1 month, you can change how you think, act, and live. Change is not accidental. It comes from consistent action, even when motivation is low. This challenge focuses on shaping your thoughts because success begins in the mind. A fearful mind hesitates. A mind full of excuses quits. But a trained, confident mind moves forward toward its goals regardless of challenges or distractions. In this program, I will share 10 simple but powerful challenges. Follow them for 21 days to transform your habits, confidence, and life completely. Listen carefully, take notes, and most importantly, take action. The next 21 days could be the turning point for the best version of yourself. Challenge 1. Morning Mind Reset. The way you start the morning often decides the direction of your day and even the course of your life. Each day begins with a choice. Will you let the world control your thoughts or take control before anything external can influence your mindset? Many people start by checking phones, social media, emails, or news, filling their minds with other people's noise and problems before their own day begins. This reaction mode gives away mental power. Successful people protect mornings to program their minds for success before facing the outside world's demands. First thoughts are like seeds. Negative seeds grow negative outcomes, while positive ones grow confidence, focus, and motivation throughout the entire day ahead. For 21 days, practice this ritual upon waking, before touching your phone or thinking about tasks. Sit up, close your eyes, and take 10 slow, deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth, releasing tension from your body. Let your mind become clear and your energy settle into calm focus. Then say aloud, "Today is a new opportunity," reminding yourself that each day is a fresh start no matter what happened yesterday in the past. Next, say, "I am capable of achieving great things," building belief in your potential and creating a mindset ready to pursue meaningful goals and dreams. Finally, say, "I will control my thoughts and actions today," committing to self-direction and refusing to be ruled by negativity or laziness in mind. This takes under 5 minutes, but tells your brain you are in charge. Over time, you'll start mornings calmer, clearer, more focused, and determined. Challenge 2. 1 hour without distraction. We live in a world of constant noise screens, notifications, and messages competing for attention at every waking moment. What feels like a quick check often becomes wasted time. Our minds are addicted to stimulation, making silence uncomfortable, yet focus is essential for success. For the next 21 days, spend your first hour awake without phone, TV, or social media. Avoid anything pulling you into someone else's agenda or distraction. Use it to read, journal, plan goals, or work on something meaningful. This golden hour should be used to create, not to consume mindless information. At first, you may crave distraction, but that discomfort is your brain adjusting. Soon, your thoughts will clear, ideas will flow, and you'll think deeper. This hour shapes your day. Wasting it leads to reactive living, while using it wisely leads to purposeful creation, better focus, and meaningful progress forward. Challenge 3. Rewrite your inner script. From waking to sleeping, your mind speaks to you. This inner script shapes identity, beliefs, and actions every single day. Many people's scripts are negative. "I can't do this. I'm not good enough." Your brain believes repeated messages, so negative scripts limit your potential seriously. For 21 days, replace each negative thought with a positive one. "I will find a way. I am improving daily," This challenge makes me stronger. At first, it may feel forced, but repetition builds belief. Write your common negative thoughts, then create empowering replacements, and keep them visible daily. Repeat these positive statements consistently. Over time, your inner voice becomes your coach, encouraging action, persistence, and confidence in all situations and challenges you face. Challenge 4. Daily 20-minute learning. Successful people never stop learning. The mind is like a muscle. Use it, and it grows. Neglect it, and it weakens badly. The world changes quickly. Without continuous learning, you fall behind. For 21 days, dedicate at least 20 minutes daily to learning something towards your goals. Read a useful book, listen to an educational podcast, or watch a skill-building video. Avoid mindless entertainment that wastes time without offering any value. Just 20 minutes a day equals over 120 hours a year, enough for several courses. Small, consistent actions build large results over time with persistence. Choose learning materials in advance so you can start immediately without wasting mental energy deciding. Make learning a consistent and non-negotiable part of your routine. Challenge 5. Visualize your success. The brain reacts similarly to real and vividly imagined experiences. This is why top performers use visualization to prepare for success. For 21 days, spend 5 minutes each morning imagining your dream life in detail, what you see, hear, feel, and even smell in vivid clarity. If you want to run a business, picture the office, your team, and the pride of building something great and meaningful through focused daily effort. If you want to travel, imagine the sights, sounds, and emotions. Feel the excitement and gratitude as if it's happening right now in your life. This convinces your subconscious it's possible, making you aware of opportunities and more motivated to act toward your vision and desired future consistently each day. Visualization with emotion strengthens belief, and belief drives action. Daily practice will align your mind and actions with the life you want to create. Challenge 6. The 3-goal. Focus. One major reason people fail is lack of focus. They chase too many things, scattering energy and making little progress anywhere. Think of focus like sunlight, spread out. It feels warm but does not burn. Concentrated through a magnifying glass, it can create fire instantly. For 21 days, practice writing your top 3 goals every morning before checking your phone or letting the day distract your attention elsewhere. These should be meaningful to you: health, career, relationships, or growth. They are not random wishes, but priorities that truly matter to your life. For each goal, ask, what is the most important action I can take today to move closer? Then do these actions first before anything else. By acting on big priorities before small tasks, you ensure progress even if the rest of the day becomes chaotic or unpredictable in any way. This habit removes confusion and procrastination. You know exactly what to do and avoid wasting energy on unimportant but urgent-seeming distractions or minor issues. In 21 days, you may achieve more than in previous months because focus, clarity, and action combine to create momentum toward your biggest dreams. Challenge 7. The gratitude shift. The brain naturally focuses on negatives to protect us from danger, but this can trap you in low mood and limited thinking. A negative mind cannot create a positive life. If your thoughts stay on what is missing, your actions will reflect frustration and dissatisfaction over time. Gratitude changes perspective by noticing what is already good, no matter how small. It trains your mind to see value and opportunity each day. For 21 days, each evening before sleep, write down 3 things you are grateful for. They can be small, ordinary, or deeply personal moments. It could be a kind smile, a good meal, or peaceful time alone. Over time, your brain will start actively searching for positives naturally. This shift builds calmness, motivation, and hope. Relationships improve, challenges look like learning opportunities, and daily life feels more fulfilling and joyful overall. Make gratitude writing part of your nightly routine. For extra impact, share it with someone else to spread positivity and deepen connection with others. Challenge 8. Small wins. Big confidence. Confidence is built through action, not waiting until you feel ready. Small wins teach your brain you can succeed consistently. For 21 days, do at least one small action each day that moves you forward. Send an important email, make a call, or exercise briefly. Each small win builds momentum. Over time, your brain begins to see you as someone who takes action and gets results regularly without hesitation. Celebrate every win. Write it down, tell a friend, or simply acknowledge it. This strengthens motivation and makes continuing easier in the long run. Progress, not perfection, creates lasting confidence. Consistent small steps eventually lead to bigger achievements and greater belief in your ability to handle challenges. Challenge 9. Remove one bad habit. Success needs mental space. Bad habits drain energy, weaken focus, and hold you back from reprogramming your mind effectively. For 21 days, choose one harmful habit to remove procrastination, negative self-talk, poor diet, or excessive social media use without purpose or benefit. When tempted, pause and remember the identity you are building: a strong, focused, disciplined person who chooses better actions to support long-term success. Replace the habit with something positive. Read a few pages, stretch, write, or practice a skill. Each replacement weakens the old pattern and builds new ones. Expect discomfort as your brain resists change. Be patient, stay consistent, and remember that each choice strengthens your new, more empowered mental framework daily. Challenge 10. End your day with intention. The way you end the day shapes how you begin the next morning, both mentally and emotionally, influencing your performance. Before sleeping, spend 5 minutes reflecting. What did I do well today? What can I improve tomorrow? What is my main goal for tomorrow? Visualize completing that goal, see the steps, feel the satisfaction, and go to bed with clarity and purpose rather than stress or unfinished thoughts. This nightly habit programs your subconscious for success. You will wake more focused, motivated, and ready to act on meaningful priorities immediately each morning. Keep it consistent for 21 days. This cycle of reflection and intention creates lasting improvement, guiding you toward greater achievement with less wasted effort. Final words: your 21-day transformation. If you commit to these challenges, you will grow stronger, more focused, and more disciplined in less than a month. You'll see opportunities instead of problems. Your habits will reflect your goals, and your identity will shift toward purposeful, consistent action for success. This is not magic. It is the science of habit and the power of consistency. Start now. The moment you decide is the moment change begins.